What's that, LJ? What are you eating?
Is that a piece of candy?
Is that a cookie?
Yeah, I'm making a cake.
Mmm. Are those yummy?
There's your cake.
Is this video?
Ooh, there's a cake, babes.
Ooh. Say happy birthday, Daddy. Give it to him. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ew.
I make a daddy. I make a daddy. I make a daddy.
Make a daddy?
A daddy.
It takes a long time to make a daddy.
I can tell you how long. About 10 months.
Cake. It's
No.
cake.
It's cake.
And then a lifetime of
Cake.
hardening and perfecting. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Put a candle on top.
I'm trying to find this comic because it's hilarious.
What's on top of that cake, babes?
Oh, you took the candle off.
Put the candle on.
Here, let's put 2 candles on. That's what we'll jar.
Oh.
Put the other candle up there. All right, ready? Blow out the candles. Whoa.
Can you blow them out?
Apple. And Nana. Happy birthday, Nana.
Nana.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh
All right, we can fix it. Put it on top. Put it on top. All right, let's put the candles on there. Squish. Squish.
no.
Put the other one up there.
Daddy.
All right, ready to blow out the candles?
My daddy.
You want to do it, Daddy? All right.
Oh.
Blow the candles,
Blow
ready?
Candles. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
I don't want cake.
You want another bit?